Y'all see my cat Curtis? He's in here with me while I roll my hair. Curtis? Curtis? Tell everybody good morning, buddy. Curtis? Tell everybody good morning. Okay, guys, good morning. Wait a minute, it look a little blurry and fuzzy. It's morning time. It's okay. I just set you guys up on something, so we're not gonna be here long. I just wanted to cut the camera on and say hello, good morning. Welcome back to another video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and yeah, become a chat partner. So guys, I'm just rolling my hair up. I'm getting ready to go fix breakfast and get myself ready for this beautiful Saturday morning because I'm going to see my mother. And this video is going to be a what I eat in a day, probably day of my life type video. I got you guys in an awkward position. I have a flare under my arm that drained, and I have an open wound under my arm. And I don't want you guys to see that either. I don't want you guys to see that open wound. And it was because I had worn deodorant a couple of times. Deodorant tear my underarms up, that's why I don't know. So I have an open wound that finally drained on its own, but I've been nursing and I've been putting peroxide, Neosporin, things of that nature on it. I know y'all probably like, how she gonna talk about an open wound then talking about she getting ready to go cook breakfast? But y'all my chat partners. And my channel is called Dionne's Life. It's about my life, the realistic of it all, what I decide and choose to share with you guys. Okay, my chat partners, I have one more side of the egg sandwich left, and I just wanted to share with you guys what it is. Since this is a what I eat in a day video, and I wanted to go in detail. Slice of the Davies bread, and it's a 21 grain one. And I cooked 2 eggs. I added a teaspoon of cottage cheese. I also added some vegan cheese. And then I added some apple sprouts on top. And I added a little hot sauce. And guys, it's really, really good. And the seasoning that I used was a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of Himalayan salt. I kind of stick to the same seasonings whenever I cook for breakfast, lunch, dinner. I don't like to use seasonings that have a lot of sodium in them. I'd say that like 4 or 5 times trying to get it right. I'm tongue twisted. So I use like a lot of powder, like garlic powder, onion powder, things of that nature. But guys, this is really, really good. And the apple sprouts just add a perfect taste to it. Apple sprouts are good for you. And guys, I'm a firm believer in eating fruits and vegetables each and every day, and try to eat fresh fruits and vegetables each and every day. I know we're getting ready to go into the cold months, and sometimes it's hard to find produce. It's just hard to find produce in general. that's any good, even in the summertime. But the apple sprouts just add a little bit of touch to it, and I really, really like it, guys. So yeah, I'll let you guys taste. I'll let you guys taste this one. I'll let you guys taste this one. Okay. I'm going. And the apple sprouts just add like a little crunch to it, you know? Apple sprouts do have a grassy type smell, but they're good though. Okay, I'm getting ready to go down the way, and I have this, something that fell out, a screw. I have a bottle of water. And we have crystal lights and some pretzels that I'm going to eat on my drive.